Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Gold accelerated declines after a stronger than average US jobs report doused expectations for US interest rate cuts this year, adding to bearish sentiment driven by data showing top consumer China held off on bullion purchases in May. Investors will closely watch this week's inflation numbers and Federal Reserve meeting for clues on whether the soft landing hopes that drove stocks to record highs are still justified. This year's rally has lifted the S&P 500 up more than 12% year to date, on expectations the Fed can cool inflation without hurting growth. China's exports grew more quickly and for the second month in May, suggesting factory owners are managing to find buyers overseas and providing some relief to the economy as it battles to mount a durable recovery.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Finland's industrial output at 5 GMT. The Australian industrial production will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey current at 5 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey outlook at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.